Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. My name is Tahir. We'd love it if you stay and subscribe. Today, I'm going to do my video on what I eat in a day, vegan style. Okay, so the first thing I do is I start off my day with a glass of lemon water like Aneesa. She got me on this thing. I didn't really do that in the beginning, but she said it's really good for you, for your digestion, all that kind of stuff. So I start my day off with a glass of warm lemon water. Here we go. I've had my glass of water, now it's time for breakfast. I'm gonna have a bowl of oatmeal. This is like my go-to oatmeal I have almost every morning. All right, check it out, check it out, check it out. We posted plenty of oatmeal videos, pictures on our Instagram and also some recipes on our YouTube channel, so do check them out. This one here has some berries, some dates, some tahini, bananas cut up, mixed in. So awesome, and this keeps me full until lunch easily. Now I'm going to enjoy this. When I'm having my breakfast, I'm usually watching like a sports video, something relaxing, funny. I'm not working, I'm just taking it easy. All right, time to dig in here and see what's happening. All right, so now it is lunchtime. Today I'm having a lentil salad. For lunch, typically I like to have something light and fresh, like a salad. However, the problem for salads and me are that after an hour, hour and a half, I'm starving. So what Aneesa will do is bulk them up a little bit, put a bit of extra protein. She does that by adding beans, lentils, and hence why we have a lentil salad today. Now the recipe for this video will be up in a couple of weeks, so please watch out for it. I'm gonna get into this and enjoy my lunch. See you guys later for dinner. All right, so I'm feeling a little peckish. I'm working out about an hour. What do? Snack time. Aneesa makes these date balls. I love these guys. She makes a variety of different kinds, but they always have dates, some nuts, and some other healthy ingredients. Super healthy, super tasty, and give me that energy that I need when I need a little snack. All right, so I'm gonna dig in, have one of these, and then after my workout, I may or may not have a smoothie. We'll see. All right, so it is dinner time now. Aneesa's here joining me, and Aneesa today has made a lovely vegan Thai curry. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I can't wait to dig in. We will post a video for this in the next couple of weeks, so watch out for that recipe. So this is the time where we like to just enjoy our food and relax. Maybe watch a show or something, so that means you gotta go. But as always, thank you so much for joining us. Please remember to subscribe, like, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, signing out for Offbeat Life. See ya.